Hello everyone, Brad here with something a little bit different again. I've reviewed all of these lightsabers individually, but I want to get them all together and see which one is the best. And this way I can kind of compare features because, for example, I may have pointed something out on one of them that I learned later about a different one, and it'd just be nice to compare them all side by side and find out which one's the best. So, first of all we have Mace Windu, Temple Guard, Asajj Ventress, Luke Skywalker, and their respective boxes. These two don't come with anything extra. These ones do. This one comes with the ability to dual wield, and this one has the extension on the front. Alright, now let's go over the quick features. I'll probably link the other videos in the description so you can get more details, but this is rubber. This one's really heavy. Mace Windu has quite the heavy lightsaber. To activate it, turn that on right there. Temple Guard, definitely lighter. It actually feels a lot lighter than Mace Windu's. Activation button. The problem with this one is it's pretty easy to accidentally hit. Alright, a lot of the weight is at the bottom because this part is metal. The rest of it is plastic. Asajj, also pretty heavy. Feels very well balanced, and these parts are rubber. Activation switch, right there. This one's a little more elaborate with, oh yeah, and so they all have the belt clips, except Luke's. Alright, Luke's very light. This thing is insanely light compared to these other ones. Alright, activation switch here on the side. Alright. Now I'm gonna just try them out and kind of show you a little bit more. Lower the lights here a little bit, and I'm gonna put each one in, kind of give it a balance test, and show you how it looks when you turn them on. So Mace Windu. Again, you hear that noise every time you put it in. Oops. There we go. So it's popped in. Hopefully this shows up alright on the camera. This one feels very heavy towards the back. It doesn't feel very balanced. Like you have to hold pretty far up on this for it to feel balanced. And that's kind of the downside of this one, I think. It's just very heavy at the bottom. Now when you deactivate it, I noticed this. Hopefully the camera can catch it, but you'll see it turn blue before it goes away. Do that one more time. So again, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it does turn like a noticeable blue and then fades away. So Temple Guard. This one feels a little more balanced, but you gotta hold it a little bit further up. But the problem is, it's just so easy to hit this button to turn it on and off. It's my biggest gripe with this one. This is the cheapest of them all. I didn't even mention the prices, and they have changed them. It's hard to say this is what they'll be when you get them. But Luke's is the most expensive at $140. The Temple Guard was $110. Asajj was $130. Mace Windu also $110. So you're kind of getting the most bang for your buck with Mace Windu's there, but I feel like they've increased the prices. Alright, so Temple Guard, I really like this one, but I still don't think it's my favorite. Go with Asajj. I love the crackling sound. This one feels really good, but the problem with this one is there's so much play in here. I'm going to hold it still, and you can see how much the blade wobbles. So that's kind of my problem with this one. I like the sound of it. It sounds really good, looks really good, but it's just really wobbly. And you can actually see, maybe you can see, it's like wobbling here even. And lastly, we have Luke's, which I think might be my favorite because it is incredibly light. But once you put this blade in, all of the weight is here. And it just feels really good. And it sounds really good too. Alright. This is the, I think it was 36-inch blade. I would probably feel a little different if you had the shorter one. Alright, so that is going to do it for these lightsabers. I only have 4 of them, but with Galaxy's Edge opening soon in Disney World, hopefully they have all of them in stock. And hopefully, you know, this kind of helped give you a better comparison of what they're like. Heavy, light, heavy, very, very light. So just keep that in mind. Alright, that is going to do it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.